Think Facebook ads are the only way to get traffic? For most beginners, ads feel way too risky and expensive. Here is a simple free way to get traffic. Join a couple of Facebook groups in your niche, look for questions you can answer, and then drop your freebie link as a helpful resource. It is low cost, beginner friendly, and works especially well if your freebie solves the exact problem they are asking about. But here is the limitation. You're still trading time for traffic and it doesn't scale. Plus, group rules can change anytime. So this is not the whole solution. That's where the AI Faceless List Builder comes in. It gives you faceless traffic strategies you can run on autopilot, plus ready-made campaign templates so you're not starting from scratch. I've linked the AI Faceless List Builder in the description if you want to check it out. Along with the core system, you will also get the 7-day faceless funnel activation checklist, a simple day-by-day plan to get your funnel live in a week. And everything is covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, if you're ready to stop relying on risky ads and start driving faceless traffic that grows your list, grab the AI Faceless List Builder. Right now, it's $27, but the price does change from time to time. You will find the link waiting in the description.